So today I am doing something I've never done before. It might seem very dumb to most people, but I've just never done it before. So my dad's always done this for me. So I love crab, lobster, but I've never like de-shelled them before because it freaked me out. Like my hands are literally shaking right now because I'm gonna have to touch this and crack them myself. Got them extra spicy and I got... Hey guys, sorry for the disruption, but I just had to clarify something before you get further into this video because I did not explain it as great as I should. So the reason why I think it's gross to crack like crab legs, lobster, and things like that is because it's in its natural state. When you eat chicken, is your chicken still have feathers, head, all that stuff still attached? No. When you eat pig, like ribs and stuff, is it still attached to the pig when you're about to eat it? No. The fact is, like when you're eating crab and lobster, it looks the way it would look when it was alive. So that's what creeps me out about it. The same thing with when people eat like, was it like fish head soup? Eyes, everything still attached. I had a mini panic attack years ago when I was cooking shrimp and I was taking out the back and the legs was still on it because it looked like what it would be before you kill it. So that's the part that freaked me out. So I just had to clarify that. Okay, so back to the video. Sausage and corn. So if I can't deal with these crabs, at least I have a backup plan. So come look at this. So this is the food. So the first step of me is actually picking up the crab legs and moving them over. Oh my gosh. Y'all think I'm playing? I'm really not. I can't believe people, I can't believe people touch it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna start with the shrimp. Oh my gosh. And I got it extra spicy. Okay. The shrimp delicious. I'm gonna leave the crab legs last. I just can't. After eating this, I'm gonna build up the courage to eat the crab legs. I don't have a little crab cracker thingy. But I see people break it with their hands, so I'm gonna try that. But let me finish eating this, and then once I get to the crabs, you can see me picking up the crab legs and moving them over. Oh my gosh. Y'all think I'm playing? I'm really not. I can't believe people, I can't believe people touch it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna start with the shrimp. Oh my gosh. And I got it extra spicy. Okay. The shrimp delicious. I'm gonna leave the crab legs last. I just can't. After eating this, I'm gonna build up the courage to eat the crab legs. I don't have a little crab cracker thingy. But I see people break it with their hands, so I'm gonna try that. But let me finish eating this, and then once I get to the crabs, you know, you can see me. It's not spicy like I would like it to be, but yo. Life. Like, I want to put all of this sauce on something. Like, if I make pasta, I want this sauce. Dip my chicken in it. Okay. It's that time. I had my shrimp, I had my corn, and I had my potatoes. I got extra sauce. Y'all. Someone on Facebook said I need to crack these like I'm mad at somebody. Oh my gosh. Y'all. This cannot hurt me. This cannot hurt me. This cannot hurt me. Oh my gosh. How do people be? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, how do y'all do this? How do y'all do? Oh my God. It's cracking. It's cracking. It's cracking. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's cracking, y'all. Okay. One crack. One crack. Okay. I want to crack all of them at one time. Oh my God, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Y'all probably like, what faces am I? Ah! Oh my God. Shit. Okay. Okay, they're all cracked. Got a piece. Yum, yum. So is the meat in this part or this part? Oh no. What is this? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Are you supposed to suck it out? Do you suck this out? Do I supposed to put my lips on it? Yo. Oh my gosh. This is... like... yo, like it coming out in little pieces. Am I supposed to suck it? Do I suck it? Maybe I get it on the other end. I might not get anything from this thing. Is there meat in this thing? Oh my gosh. First. It came out! Okay, let me dip it. Me happy. Like I'm a pro. But these people, the people watching this video, y'all probably like, girl, bye. Y'all children probably do it better than me. But whatever. But anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching me crack crab legs for the first time in my whole life. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.